Right. Listen up, you lot. Ever dreamt of doubling your money? Who hasn't, right? It's a universal dream, the kind that keeps us up at night imagining what we could do with a little extra cash in our pockets. But the stock market? That's more confusing than a roundabout in Rome. All those numbers, charts and trends can make your head spin faster than a carnival ride. Well, scrap that because I'm here to tell you about AI trading bots. These aren't just any bots, they're like having a team of financial experts working for you around the clock. These things are like digital genies, but instead of wishing for lamps, you wish for profits. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, constantly analyzing the market to find the best opportunities for you. And believe me, they deliver. The results can be astonishing, turning your modest investments into something much more impressive. I never considered myself a financial whiz. Numbers and graphs, not my thing. Give me a racetrack and a roaring engine any day. The thrill of speed and the smell of burning rubber, that's where I feel at home. But even I was blown away by how these bots transformed my portfolio from a sputtering Fiat Panda into a sleek Ferrari. It was like watching a magic trick unfold right before my eyes. Okay, maybe not a Ferrari, but you get the idea. The transformation was real, and the potential is limitless, so why not give it a shot? You might just find yourself on the fast track to financial success.
So what are these magical bots, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. Imagine a mini-me, but instead of raiding the biscuit tin, it's glued to the stock market, buying and selling like a Wall Street maniac, only smarter, faster, and without the need for coffee breaks. These bots are powered by artificial intelligence, which is basically a fancy way of saying they learn and adapt faster than a hamster on a wheel. They use complex algorithms to make decisions that would take a human hours, if not days, to figure out. They analyze market trends, sniff out profitable trades, and execute them at lightning speed, all while you're off enjoying a pint or, actually working for a living. Imagine having a tireless assistant who never sleeps, never eats, and never makes emotional decisions. No more staring at charts until your eyes bleed. No more sleepless nights worrying about market fluctuations. These bots do the heavy lifting, leaving you free to enjoy the spoils. Whether it's spending more time with family, pursuing hobbies, or just kicking back and relaxing, these bots have got your back.
Now, I'm not one to brag, much, but my foray into AI trading was a right corker. I had always been curious about the world of automated trading, where algorithms and bots do all the heavy lifting for you. I started small, dipped my toes in with a bit of spare cash. Just a modest amount, something I could afford to lose without breaking a sweat. Nothing major, mind you, just enough to see if these bots were the real deal or another one of those internet scams that promise you the moon on a stick. I was cautious, skeptical even, as I had heard countless stories of people getting burned. Well, let me tell you, I was gobsmacked. The results were beyond my wildest expectations. The bot went to work, making trades faster than I could down a cuppa. It was like watching a maestro at work, each trade executed with precision and speed, and the best part, it actually started making money. Not just a little bit, but a steady stream of income that kept growing. Not just pennies, mind you, but real, tangible profits. The kind that make you sit up and take notice. It was like having my own personal money printing machine. I couldn't believe how effortless it was. The future of finance, it seems, is here, and it's automated.
The beauty of these bots is their speed and efficiency. They react to market changes in milliseconds, seizing opportunities before you can say Bob's your uncle. No more agonizing over buy and sell orders. These bots are like finely tuned machines, operating with precision and accuracy that would make a Swiss watchmaker jealous. And the best part? They don't need sleep, holidays, or bathroom breaks. They work 24/7, tirelessly scouring the market for the best deals. It's like having a team of expert traders at your beck and call, but without the hefty fees and questionable fashion choices.
Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. There are risks involved. It's the stock market, after all, not a charity raffle. But fear not, my friends, because these risks can be mitigated with a bit of common sense and a dash of caution. First off, don't just jump in headfirst like a bloke at the pub after last call. Do your research. Choose reputable platforms and bots with proven track records, and never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, slow and steady wins the race.
AI trading bots are changing the game, folks. They're making investing accessible to everyone, not just the Wall Street fat cats. It's like giving everyone a fighting chance in a world that often feels rigged against the little guy. So, if you're tired of the rat race and want to explore the exciting world of AI trading, don't just sit there like a bump on a log. Take the plunge. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Just remember, a little bit of research goes a long way.